Okay. Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn chapter 5, coordinate geometry in Max 2. Okay. Chapter 5, coordinate geometry Max 2. Okay. So let's see the formula first. Okay. Can we see can you see my slide now? Yes. Okay. So what you can see here? What you can see? X-axis is there, Y-axis is there, correct? And a triangle is there. Yes or no? Yes, right triangle is there. Correct, correct. So here 2 point is given. What is given? 2 point is given. Now how you will find the distance of, suppose this is point A and this is point B. So how we are going to find out the distance A, B? Okay. In that case, what we are doing, we are drawing here parallel to x-axis and here parallel to y-axis, and then it becomes a right angle triangle. Then by Pythagoras theorem, okay, what it is? It is like a Pythagoras theorem. The distance formula, the distance between the point x1, y1 and x2, y2 is d is equal to square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Is it clear? So it is a Pythagoras theorem only. We can say like this way: d square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Is it clear? So which formula we are going to use here? Distance formula to find out the distance. Is it clear? Sure. Okay. So you are ready? Then come with me. We will start exercise 5.1. Okay. Practice set 5.1. Let's see. First, find the distance between each of the following pair of points. Okay, so 2 points will be given and we have to find out the distance, like x1, x2, x2, y2 is given now here, and we have to find out the distance formula. Now everyone knows the distance formula, correct? Now, then write down in your chat box what is distance formula first. Fast, I am waiting. Yes, very good. From Bhumi. Aryan. Okay. Write. Don't wait. Write down. Those who have not written, they also write. So distance formula. Again and again you have to write distance formula, okay? Whenever I will ask you, whenever question will come, because 5.1 is totally based on the distance formula. Is it clear? So you have to write it again and again. Let's see. Now we are going to solve. Let A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. Okay? Then x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 1. Is it clear? x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to 1. Then by distance formula. Can you tell me distance formula now? Again, you have to write distance formula in a chat box. Fast. And fastest finger, I will tell the name who had written fast. Okay, so be ready. Yes, Neha, Aryan, very good. Again and again you have to write distance formula. So by using distance formula, distance AB is equal to, by using distance formula, distance AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the value. You know what is x2? 4. Correct? What is x1? 2. So 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 2 is 2 plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? 1. What is y1? 3. So 1 minus 3 is 1 minus 3. Correct? 2. So in this way you have to substitute the value. So distance AB is equal to under root 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. So 4 minus 2 is 2 square. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square. So 2 square plus 2 square. Okay, minus 2 square. So it becomes under root 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then find out the factor of 8. So it become, yes, 4 into 2. So 4 is a perfect square. Correct? So it becomes 2 root 2. Yes. So it becomes 2 root 2 because 4 2s are 8. 4 is a perfect square. So it will come out from the square root and it becomes 2 root 2. Is it clear? At the end, what you are going to write down? The distance between the point A and B is, the distance between point A and B is 2 root 2 unit. Is it clear? So simple, correct? Yes or no? Yes. Now, find the distance between each of the following pair of points. Again, A is P is minus 5, 7, Q is minus 1, 3. P is minus 5, 7, Q is minus 1, 3. Now can you tell me what is x1, x2, y1, y2? First, x1, y1, x2, y2. Write fast. So x1 is equal to minus 5, y1 is equal to 7. Correct? x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 3. Correct. Now by using the distance formula. Okay. Now write down the distance formula fast. Write down the distance formula fast. I have written x1, x2, y1, y2. Now you write down the distance formula first. Very good. Vidhi, Neeraj. Okay. Khushi. Okay. So by distance formula, we have to write down the distance PQ is equal to, okay, distance PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we know what is x1, x2, we know what is y1, y2, then we have to substitute that value. So it becomes minus 1 minus 5 and then whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. Now if you see here, you can see here minus is there. So minus is what? Plus. Correct? So it becomes minus 1 plus 5 whole square. What it becomes? Minus 1 plus 5 whole square. Plus 3 minus 7 is what? Yes, minus 4. Okay? So minus 1 plus 5 whole square, under root minus 1 plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7. So 4 whole square, under root 4 square plus minus 4 square. So you know what is 4 square? That is 16 plus 16. So under root 16 plus 16 is what? 32. Correct? Now find out the factor of 32 and tell me what is the simplest form. Yes, Kushi. Very good. 16 twos are 32. 16 is the perfect square of 4. So the distance PQ is 4 root 2. Correct? Okay, very good. So 16 twos are 32, means factor of 32 is 16 into 2, but 16 is the perfect square, so it will come out from the square root. So distance PQ is equal to 4 root 2 unit. Okay, at the end what we'll write? The distance between the point P and Q is 4 root 2 unit. Okay? You have to write the answer, what you have find out. Okay? Next. Sixth question. Okay? So you are ready? Okay. Come with me now. W is given. W is minus 7 upon 2, comma 4. X is 11 and 4. So can you tell me what is x1, y1, x2, y2? Fast. Yes, very good, Sanskriti. X1 is minus 7 upon 2. Okay. Y1 is equal to 4. Now x2 is equal to y2 is equal to. Okay, very good. Let's see. Let W x1 y1 and x2 y2 be the given points. Then x1 is equal to minus 7 upon 2. Y1 is equal to 4. X2 is equal to 11. Y2 is equal to 4. Now by using the distance formula. Okay. Now write down the distance formula fast. Aryan has written first. Okay. By using the distance formula. Okay. Let's see. By distance formula, distance Wx is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now substitute the value. You know what is x2, what is x1, what is y2, and what is y1. Now substitute that value. Is it clear? Samriddhi and Hiral have written wrong formula. Please check it. Okay? Khushi, you have written wrong formula, beta. Correct it. Khushi also. See the slide properly. How the formula I have written. Okay. Distance Wx is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay. Okay, 2 you have written there. Okay. No problem. Let's start now by substituting the value. Okay. Now we will substitute the value. So we know that distance Wx is equal to root 11 minus 7 upon 2. Okay. and then whole square plus 4 minus 4, because y2 is also 4 and y1 is also 4. So 4 minus 4 whole square, that is 0. Now we have to add 11 minus 7 upon 2. So this minus will go and become plus here. What it become? Plus. Correct? So 11 plus 7 upon 2 whole square. 11 plus 7 upon 2 whole square. Is it clear? And we know that 4 plus 4 minus 4 is 0. So we will not take that number. Okay. Now how you are going to solve this? First of all, cross multiplication. So 11 twos are 22 plus 7 upon 2. So 22 plus 7. What it is? Yes, very good. Very good. So 22, we are doing here cross multiplication, okay? So 11 twos are 22 plus 7 upon 2. 22 plus 7 is 29 upon 2. Okay. Now take out the square of these. As you know that here square is present. So this root and this square is cancelled. So what will remain? This square root and this square will cancel. So what will remain now? 29 upon 2. Correct? So what will remain? 29 upon 2. So we will write that distance Wx is equal to 29 upon 2 unit. Okay. That therefore the distance between the point W and X is 29 upon 2 unit. Let's see. Is it clear? Yes, very good, Neha. Okay, so you're ready to the next question now? Okay, very simple questions are there. Okay, let's see. Be ready with your pen and pencil because you have to solve here. Okay, and I told you that collinear points. So we have to find out the collinear points here. Determine whether the points are collinear or not. Suppose a distance is there. Okay, a distance is there. Suppose it is A, B, and C. So as you know that distance AC is equal to distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC. This should be there. Distance AC is equal to, if distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC, then it is a collinear. This is the condition to determine the points whether it is collinear or not. Okay, means we have to find out the distance AB, we have to find the distance BC, and we have to add distance AB plus BC. If distance AB plus DC is equal to distance AC, then we can say it is a collinear points. Okay, understood? Sure. Write down that understood. Okay, very good. Write down, I'm seeing. Okay, let's start now. So you understood how we are going to find out whether the points are collinear or not. So we have to find the distance. Okay. Let's see how we are going to solve now. Here, point A is given 1 minus 3, point B is given 2 comma minus 5, and point C is given minus 4, 7. So we have to find out the distance AB, we have to find out the distance BC, and then we have to find out the distance AC, and then we have to see by adding which distance they become equal. Is it clear? So you are ready to solve by distance formula? Share? Okay, come now. By using distance formula, now we know what is x1, x2, correct? What is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3? Is it clear? Or simply we can take x1, x2, x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's see. By using distance formula, distance AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Is it clear? So from A and B, x2 is what? 2. x1 is what? 1. y2 is what? Minus 5. y1 is what? Minus 3. Correct? Now substitute this value. What you will get? First, substitute this value in the formula, pi distance formula, using distance formula. You have pen pencil with you and rough copy. So substitute that formula so that you get the answer fast. Distance AB is equal to okay, let's see. Okay. Root 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 5 minus and then minus 3 whole square. As we know that here it is minus and here it is minus. So minus minus become plus. Correct? Yes or no? So 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 5 plus 3 whole square. So what is under root 2 minus 1 whole square? That is 1 plus minus 5 plus 3 whole square. That is minus 2. Correct? So under root 1 square plus minus 2 whole square. So 2 square is what? 4, whether it is positive or negative. Because minus 2 is there. So we know that minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. So it will become plus. Okay. So under root 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is what? Root 5. Okay. And that is the equation number 1. We will tell it as equation number 1 because 3 equations we have to take. Distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. Correct? So under root 5 or root 5 is equation number 1. Okay? Now we will move to the distance BC. Distance BC. Okay? Distance BC. Now let's see what is distance BC. What is distance BC? So again, x2 under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So are you remembering the question? Here b is 2 minus 5. What is b? Wait. B is minus 2, 2 minus 5. B is 2 minus 5. And C is what? C is what? Minus 4, 7. Minus 4, 7. Correct? So let's see. Now we are going to use the distance formula. Distance BC is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay. Then 4 minus 2 whole square minus 4 under root minus 4 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 5 whole square. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, as you know that minus 4 minus 2 is what? Minus 6. And minus 5. Here minus and minus 5. It will become 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. Okay? So let's see. I'll remove this, whatever I have written, so that you can see properly. Okay? Yes. Now it is visible to you properly. Okay. Now solve it. So minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 whole square plus 7 plus 5. So under root minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 whole square. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 whole square. Now find out 6 square. 6 square is what? Yes, very good. 36. 12 square is what? 144. 36 plus 144. 36. Yes, very good. That is 180. Is it clear? 36 plus 144. That is under root 180. Now take out the factor of 180 and tell me what will be the simplest form. What will be the simplest form? Find out the factor. Fast. 36 5s are. Okay, very good. 36 5s are. Very good. So one factor of 180 is 36 into 5. We know 36 is a perfect square of 6. So it becomes distance BC is equal to 6 root 5. Okay. Now this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now we have to find out the third equation, that is distance AC. Distance AC. Yes or no? We have to find out distance AC. Let's see. Come with me. Okay. Distance AC is equal to, again we have to write down the formula, that is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now you know the points of A and C. Correct? So substitute that value. It will be root minus 4 minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus and then again minus 3 whole square. So we know that this minus and this minus become plus. Okay. So minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 whole square. 7 plus 3 is what? 10. So 5 whole square minus 5 square plus 10 square. So 5 square is what? 25. 10 square is what? 100. 25 plus 100. 125. Very good. And then so it is 125, root 125. Now distance AC is equal to, take down the factor of 125. Yes, 25 into 5. That is 5 root 5. Okay, this is the equation number 3. This is equation number 3. Distance AC is equal to 5 root 5. Okay, this is the equation number 3. Now we have to see equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Let's see equation number 1. What is equation number 1? Distance AB is equal to root 5. Correct? This is equation number 1. And on adding 1 and 3, because equation 1 is root 5 and equation 3 is 5 root 5. So equation 1 and equation 3, when we add, what we will get? Distance AB plus distance AC is equal to root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal to 6 root 5. Yes or no? So it is equal to whom? Yes, it is equal to distance BC. Okay. Yes, very good. So distance AB plus distance AC is equal to distance BC. So we can say that point A, B and C are collinear. Is it clear? Yes, they are collinear. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let's take the next question. Okay. Are you ready? So we will take only one question here and then point A, B, C are collinear. P minus 2, 3, Q, 1, 2 and R, 4, 1. Okay, you have to solve by using the distance formula. You have to find out first PQ, then QR and then PR. Is it clear? Can you do it? Yes, very good. Very good. Let's see. As everyone has seen one question, again it is of same type of question. So there is no need to worry. You have to practice only. Okay. Is it clear? By using the distance formula, let's start. Distance PQ is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we will take PQ, correct? So you can see where is PQ is present. Okay. So can you tell me what is x2? Fast. Yes, very good. x1? Yes, very good. Now substitute in the formula. So it becomes, okay. So it becomes 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. As we know that minus minus will become plus. So it becomes under root 1 plus 2 whole square. Under root 1 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. Is it clear? So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 3 square is what? 9. Let's see. 3 square plus 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1 whole square. So root 3 square plus minus 1 square. So we know that root 9 plus 1, which is equal to root 10. Correct? So distance PQ is what? Root 10, and it is our equation number 1. Okay, let's see the distance QR. Okay, distance QR. Distance QR is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. So you are ready? Let's see. Root 4 minus 1 square plus 1 minus 2 square. 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 square. And 1 minus 2 is minus 1 square. As we know that root 3 square is 9 and minus 1 square is 1. So again we will get, what we will get? Root 9 plus 1. Therefore distance QR is what? Root 10. And this is our equation number 2. Correct. Now come to the question number 3. Okay. Let's solve. Distance PR. Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You have to write the formula again and again. Is it clear? Then root 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 square. Again here minus become plus. Is it clear? So root 4 plus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. 4 plus 2 is what? 6 square minus 2 square. So what it is now? Can you tell me? 6 square is what? 36. Correct. Minus 2 square is what? 4. So 36 plus 4 is what? 36 plus 4 is 40. Take out the factor of these fast. Take out the factor of 40. Yes, very good. 10 fours are 40. 4 is a perfect square. So it becomes 2 root 10. Okay. So we will take distance PR is equal to distance PR is equal to 2 root 10. This is equation number 3. Is it clear? Now, from equation 1, 2 and 3, we will add equation 1 and 2. So, we will get distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to root 10 plus root 10 is equal to 2 root 10. Is it clear? Sure. Okay. So, what is next now? Distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR from equation number 3. So, point PQ and R are collinear. So, you understood up to here? Sure? Very good. So we have learned distance formula. Can you tell me what is distance formula now? What is distance formula? Fast. Very good. Collinear points. How we will know that it is a collinear points? Yes, very good. Hope that everyone understood. Just give a thumbs up if you understood. All right. Understood. Okay. Very good.